Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Seren Leone, and I'm so excited today because in this video, I'm going to do my very first hair video. Hair review, hair unboxing. So I went and ordered some Ali Grace hair from AliExpress. This hair that I'm actually wearing is also from Ali Grace. So if you want, you can check out their body wave while I'm reviewing their straight texture. So this is what it came in, a little FedEx package, regular. And so now I'm unboxing what I ordered. I ordered 3 bundles of Brazilian straight hair. I have a 26-inch, a 24-inch, and a 22-inch. And I also ordered a 20-inch frontal. So let's just talk about what else they sent. They sent this. They tell you how to promote on one side, and on the other side, they have some instructions on how to take care of the hair, how to wash it, and all that good stuff. Really helpful things that you might want to keep if it's your first time ordering virgin hair or hair from AliExpress, or you know the deal. So sometimes hair companies also put a little gift, and this time they gave me lashes, and these lashes are actually cute and wearable, so that's cool. So the hair comes just wrapped up in this plastic with a little zipper thing at the bottom, and it's also wrapped in a rubber band. But right now we are going to see how long these bundles actually are and do a little length test. So let's get into that. So the hair packaging is really cute, but I personally like it when they have a little net around the hair. It's for extra protection. So if it was a net and then put in the plastic bag, I would be even happier. But now I'm touching the hair and the hair feels so soft. It's a natural 1B color. It's definitely not jet black, as you can see. That is a brown color, and the ends are very, very nice, very clean. It definitely looks like somebody clipped them a little bit. So let's get into this 26-inch bundle. Let's see how long it is. I'm just measuring from the top of the bundle, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and it looks like we are at 26 inches exactly, if not 26 and a half. That's really good. And just looking at the bundles, you can kind of see that it's the same kind of consistency from the top of the bundle to the bottom until you get to the last, let's say 2 to 3 inches. So let's move on to the next bundle. Let's unzip or undo it and get to measuring. So next I'm going to measure the 24-inch, and I just can't stop touching the hair because it is so soft. When I say this hair feels really, really soft and nice, that's what I mean. It feels really good. So again, I'm taking it from the top of the bundle all the way to the bottom, and we are at 24.5 inches. It's definitely true to length so far, the bundles that we have measured. So for the last bundle, this is going to be the 22-inch. I'm just unraveling it and again touching it because it feels so soft. I'm just try to make sure that it's straight all the way to the bottom so I can get a really, really good length check. So again, from the top, 22 inches, girl. Yes, 22 inches. From the top all the way down. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Whoa. So this is actually 23 inches. That's dope. Just a little bit longer than I expected. I rather be a little bit longer than a little bit shorter. So yes, all these bundles are definitely true to length. They have a great luster to them, a nice natural shine, and the hair is very soft, and the ends are great, and the color is a natural color. Okay, beauties, I am 5'2", so I'm just putting this hair somewhere on my head to get an idea of where it's going to fall. And I'm showing you what the wefts look like. They look pretty sturdy to me. Um, and yeah, now I'm just seeing how many flyaways I get. I am getting some, but it's not crazy. The hair actually looks and feels really healthy. So now this is the frontal. I got a free parting frontal because I never know if I want to do a middle part, a side part, or anything. And this is my 20-inch frontal. Let's just look. It has a really, really nice sturdy band. This is the first time that I've seen a frontal with this little zigzag pattern. Do you guys see that? Yeah. It also comes with little baby hairs in the front, and Yeah, it looks like it matches the bundles really well. The color and the texture, of course, they all look like they're going to blend perfectly. And of course, this frontal feels just as soft as the bundles. I am so excited about this hair, guys. So as I started to like go through the hair, I've noticed like some of these like orangey, brassy tone colors. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's like extra little fake fibers that are added to the hair. I have no idea, but I don't like it. I do not like that because I'm gonna have to dye the hair definitely. I want it to be jet black, so I'm gonna have to dye the hair anyway, but I don't know what those extra bright colors are. So that's the only little weird thing about the frontal. Let me smell the hair and tell you what I think. In my honest opinion, it smells like clean, processed hair. It doesn't stink. It just smells like hair, you know? Why don't, yeah. So now I'm just running my fingers through it. And this time I'm checking to see if it's going to shed while it's in the bundle. And it's not. Of course, you would have to see the hair as I wear it, how I'm going to sew it on. I'm going to make this a wig. So I'll really be able to test it out and tell you about the hair and shedding when I'm wearing it as a wig. So let me know in the comments if you would like an updated review on Allie Grace's hair. I would love to do one for you, so leave a comment. So if I were to rate the bundles, I would give the bundles an 8 out of 10. Definitely. And for the frontal, I would have to give it like a 7 out of 10. 10 being the best, of course. Beauties, I left the information, the direct link to the hair in the description box. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in the next video.